Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3Movers cheap Palm Bay local and long-distance movers near me. Our movers will help you with your long-distance moving, along with many other services. We offer everything you need for a full-service move to your new location. Here are the things we can offer you: packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. It's not easy to find and hire a Florida moving company for a local move. Sometimes it seems like it's a better idea to do the work yourself. However, the benefits of hiring local movers will likely justify the cost. You'll save time and you won't have to do any heavy lifting. In addition, professional movers know how to pack up properly and keep your most precious items protected. A reliable team of movers, such as 3Movers, can help to streamline your move on moving day. You can get settled into your home faster and sooner. You might need a week or several days to move, even just down the road. Our team handles it in a few hours or a single day. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Palm Bay moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.